Ever wished you could have a Hollywood-level special effects team in your pocket? Well, strap in, because Haiper AI is about to make that dream a reality. Built by a squad of geniuses from Google, DeepMind, TikTok, and top-tier research labs, Haiper AI isn't your average AI tool. Forget those boring technical platforms. Haiper gets that creativity should be fun, surprising, and accessible to everyone. That's why they've created an interface so intuitive that even your grandma could whip up a masterpiece. Whether you're a Spielberg in the making or just a dude with a story to tell, Haiper's got your back. Imagine this. You've got a killer idea for a YouTube video, but filming it yourself seems like a step beyond your capabilities. No worries. Just type a description into Haiper's text-to-video feature and watch your vision come to life. Want to create a futuristic cityscape or historical battle scene? Haiper can generate stunning visuals that would normally require expensive and time-consuming special effects. Or maybe you're a musician with a new song. Haiper can use your music and your descriptions to create a captivating music video that perfectly complements your beats. And it doesn't stop there. Say you've made a video, but you're not feeling it. You're thinking it needs a complete overhaul? No problem. Haiper's Repaint or Restyle feature lets you transform your video with a whole new look and feel. And if you've ever filmed a video and then realized later that the lighting just isn't right or the colors don't quite match the mood you were going for, well, with Haiper, you can easily adjust the color palette of your video or add a vintage filter to give it a classic look. You can even completely change the style of your video, transforming it from a cartoon into a live-action scene, or vice versa. The possibilities are truly endless. On top of that, Haiper's extended duration feature lets you easily adjust the length of your video to fit any platform or need. Whether you're creating a short and snappy video for Instagram or TikTok, a bite-sized explainer for your YouTube channel, or a longer documentary-style video for your website, Haiper can help you create content that's the perfect size and format. No more struggling to squeeze your message into a 15-second clip, or conversely wondering how to fill out a full minute of video. Haiper gives you the flexibility to create videos that are as short or as long as you need them to be, ensuring that your message gets across in a clear and engaging way. So whether you're a filmmaker with a grand cinematic vision, an educator bringing complex concepts to life, a content creator looking to stand out from the crowd, or just someone with a story to tell, Haiper can help you create amazing videos quickly and easily. Imagine you're a teacher who wants to explain the solar system to your students. With Haiper, you can create an engaging and informative video that takes them on a journey through the planets and moons. Or maybe you're a social media influencer who wants to create a product review video. Haiper can help you generate stunning visuals and add text overlays to get your message across in a clear and concise way. No matter what your creative goals are, Haiper can be your wingman, helping you turn your ideas into reality. And the best part, you don't need to be a video editing expert. Haiper's AI does the heavy lifting for you so you can just focus on unleashing your creativity. So enough chatter, let's dive in. See that Start Creating button on the right? That's your portal to a world of creative possibilities. Signing up for a free account is quick and easy, and in no time, you'll be greeted by Haiper's clean and intuitive interface. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're a complete beginner with no prior video editing experience, you'll be able to navigate your way around with ease. Here's a quick rundown of the main features you'll find. Haiper's Explore section is your one-stop shop for AI-powered masterpieces. Click on any thumbnail to get the full view, complete with all the deets, and if you like what you see, download the MP4 with a simple click. Ready to start creating your own jaw-dropping visuals? Head over to the Creations tab on the left side menu. You'll find a text box at the bottom of the screen. That's your prompt command center. But before you start typing, check out the labels above the text box. These handy little buttons let you switch up your video style in a snap. Want an old school film vibe? Click it. Feeling a cyberpunk aesthetic? Go for it. Haiper's got you covered. Oh, and don't forget the Create in Public toggle. If you're not quite ready to share your masterpiece with the world, just flip that switch to keep your creations private. You'll also see an icon next to it that lets you choose the video length. Keep it short and sweet at 2 seconds, or stretch it out to a full 4 seconds. Click Create, and after a few moments of suspense, boom, your very own AI-generated video appears. Seriously, the results are so realistic, it's like watching a scene from a movie. Not quite happy with the first try? Just hit regenerate and let the AI spin its wheels again. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you can even tweak your prompt and see what happens. The Vary Prompt option is your new best friend. This allows you to tweak your prompt and get a whole new video. It's like fine-tuning a recipe. A pinch of this, a dash of that, and voila. You've created something completely new and delicious. If you stumble upon a video that you absolutely love, don't let it get lost in the shuffle. Click on the heart icon to add it to your favorites for easy access later. And if you create something that's just not quite right, don't worry. Every masterpiece needs a few rough drafts. Click on the three-dot icon to access the delete option and banish it to the digital trash bin. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the image-to-video feature. This is where you can bring your images to life in ways you never thought possible. Go to Creations and select Animate your image. You'll see a box pop up with an icon prompting you to upload an image. This is your chance to unleash your inner Spielberg. Pick a picture from your computer and let Haiper AI work its magic. It'll analyze the image and create a basic animation. But here's where the real fun begins. You can guide the animation by adding a prompt in the text box. Think of it like being a puppeteer. Your words are the strings and the image is your marionette. Want to see a still photo of a person dance? Just type in a description, set the duration, and click Create. It's like having your own personal animator at your beck and call. And if the first animation isn't quite what you had in mind, don't sweat it. Hit that Regenerate button and watch Haiper AI whip up a new version. The best part, you can rinse and repeat this process as many times as you like. It's like having infinite do-overs until you get it just right. The video outputs are incredibly accurate, down to the most minute details. Whether you describe a bustling city street scene or a lone astronaut floating in space, Haiper AI can bring it to life with stunning realism. The characters move like they're supposed to, the objects interact in ways that make sense, and the overall scene just feels natural. It's like Haiper has a deep understanding of how the world works, which translates into incredibly realistic and engaging videos. And you know what's even better? You don't have to be a coding wizard or a prompt writing genius to get amazing results. We've tested Haiper with all sorts of prompts, from simple one-liners to complex descriptions, and it consistently delivers videos that exceed our expectations. It's like having a film crew that can read your mind and translate your ideas into stunning visuals with minimal effort on your part. Now, there are a few limitations. Currently, videos are capped at 4 seconds and there aren't any specific camera control options. But hey, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? Sure, it would be cool to have some fancy camera controls. But let's be honest, most of us aren't trying to create the next Oscar-winning film. We just want something cool, something eye-catching, something that tells our story. And that's exactly what Haiper AI delivers right out of the box. The Haiper team is constantly working on new features and improvements, so we wouldn't be surprised to see longer videos and more advanced camera controls in the near future. In the meantime, we're having a blast exploring the possibilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI video generation. And if you want to check out another seriously cool piece of text-to-video AI, check this video out right here. It's clear that the team behind Haiper has put a lot of thought and effort into creating a tool that not only empowers creators but also sets a new standard for AI-generated video content.